bafethu moyo man of the match bheka uphuma nani 2.5 le awuthi iphume namabhutsi bathi ngukabelo ngihwezi ngufestival ngumahlaba mfana uthanda ukubizwa ngeliphi
umahlaba ufestival
mahlaba ufestival ntwana libuya apha legama ubuya kweliphi ikasi wena
ngibuya e-Snake Park Soweto Snake Park bengidlalela i-Doron Cop Students before ngiza ngapha
mfana uyawazi amawelo akabophela aphuma ekasi lakho
ngiwazi kahle ngazi bophela ngazi usesane ngazi uvilakazi
ikaseliwa
yebo
and then sho ukuthi kahle kahle mawubuya ngala ekasi lakho ama chance ukuthi udlalela i-Doron Cop abhayi
hayi kuye ngokuthi uzimisela kanjani because nabo coach balapha bathatha ibhola professional
usho kanje
yonke into ihamba professional so nami mangiza ngapha I was ready enough ngadevelop wana ngapha and then that's why ngibona iquality iphuma lapha
ntwana mawungathi uyabheja ngabo coach basekasi lakho ngomuphi coach odayo bona ntwana mangigaya ubani regardless noma ungamniki iPirates noma ungamniki iSundowns untswembu lo coach
uke wacoacha kusikhukhune ushoes Morgan Serure ngibheja ngaye because uye kube ngingekho la kube kungasuki
usho kanje
so ayena top ngibheja ngaye
uyabheja ntwana but ntwana asikhulume ngecareer yakho ngibonile kuDoron Cop ushaya into yakho sharp lento ediski uyibona nini ukuthi sharp mina ngingaphusha ngariding
akudala ngiyibona cause ibhola bengilithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke like ezinye izinto bengiblinded ngifuna ukuzibona ebholweni so I think ukuthi ukuze ngibe la ukusebenza kwami ngisizwa abo coach from development bonke abo coach Doron Cop Students and I will keep improving cause ngiyafuna ukuzibona kule first team
ntwana yami thina sikwazi unomunye ushukela onzima but lana you playing a different football Ozomena umanqobo upelembe na inyamaza uthi intswembu yaligibela but today nhlama trap and pass what's the message from the coach
uligibela ngiyaligibela but ngifuna improve ngifuna ukuya overseas ngifuna ukaba i-top player so ezinye izinto kumele like ngizidiscipline ngingasazenzi but ayikuthi nginga-express ibhola lami I think la ngidlala ngakhona ngiya-improve kancane and then isikhathi masifika ushukela ngizongaya imeni yami ukuthi ngiwine league because angakabi ne-silverware la ethimini so into engiyifunayo la
mfana you talking about i-discipline esikhathini esiningi kuba yibhuzi siyabuhlaba ezamagenge ezamaplayer esikhathini esiningi abomabhebeza i-attention seyibhaya ngigijimela i-team eGrot you talking about i-discipline wena ukuze ungayitholi utrap ekala uyivimba kanjani lento
I think in the environment ekhaya la ngiphuma khona bayakhuluma nami abazali and ngiawe ngezinto ezenzakalayo ngiyabona amanye amajita top players ake waba kule situation akadlala ku DDC but then unfortunately abazange bakhona ukuproceed so looking at them mina angifuni nami ukuwela to the same trap so that's why ngazifaki kulezo zinto lezo ngika discipline channel every time ngilalela from coaches those small details from abantu basekasi because ungamdelela umuntu wasekasi alokukhuluma but then mina ngiyalalela and then into engenza ukuthi ngingazifaki kulama trap kanjalo
bana na indaba enkulu mfana ngikubona nabantu abaGrot lapha yana ku social media ngisho ngibona neball pen mfana usayinile boy
hayi lapha ngisayinele agency yami MSC Sports so yeah from lapho I think okunye kuzoziphumela ezinye izinto angeke ngizikhulume amanga
but ntwana mawubona kudlala iChiefs kugcwala abantu abangaka na une chance ukuthi uzibone kulesa space what comes to your mind
ngiyafuna ukuzibona ngilapha kakhulu but then ngiyazi ukuthi there's a lot of pressure so ngizozama ukuthi ngiphushe lana even if ikune pressure khona ama game afana namadali where there's a lot of people abasibukelile there's pressure so I think mangabe ngizo excela lezi zinto la going to the first team ngizoya sengiready futhi ngizoya lapha yana ngibonisa abantu base South Africa ukuthi ngayenzela le case
ntwana last one ngamapha ama player inspirayo la ku Chiefs ubethwe yonke nje
say from dala ngisabukela iKaizer Chiefs izividiyo finalini Happy Mashiane like I've been ngibukele Happy Mashiane and I believe he's still a great player ku Kaizer Chiefs so I won't say dala but then ngibukela nama player overseas ngibheka ukuthi adlala kanjani so yeah
if you win the league if you win all the games ni win the league uthini wena
yeah siniliki into esifunayo isithini la wonke ama players sebenza ukuthi siniliki so we will work each and every day until size win
Mahlaba all the best intwana sokusele kancane niyafika ebhandini all the best congratulations ngeman of the match yakho maybe ayazwakala namanye amabhutsi
ngiyabonga hayi ayes
taki dana yami bona